What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure, talking to you today about this gorgeous 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium. This one has already been optioned out because it is sold, just waiting delivery on Monday to its new owner. Just wanted to do a quick walk around about some of the new features on the 2020. Right off the bat, up front, we've got the Toyota Safety Sense radar sensor. Also, another thing that's new, Toyota Safety Sense camera for your lane departure warning system. Kind of the big news with the 2020 is smart keyless entry is now standard on off-road premium and SR5 premium models. So you've got the ability to lock the car there. When you walk up to the car with the key, just grab the handle, it'll unlock automatically. Has a proximity sensor. That sensor is not do anything for your rear door, but what it does do, allows you to roll the window down from back here. Also, the sensor for opening the rear. Now, you may have noticed the customer who purchased this vehicle has gone with the TRD Pro black alloy wheels. These are the wheels that come with your TRD off-road premium. They're the same size, so you don't even have to upgrade your tire to go with these TRD Pro wheels, and they really change the look of the vehicle quite a bit. All the 4Runners are going to come with the tow package, 5,000 pound tow capacity. TRD models are not available with third row seat. You are going to get the built-in inverter. You've got a 40-20-40 split folding rear seat that also reclines. Seats fold a little differently in a 4Runner than other vehicles. Bottom folds up, then the back folds down. You do also have the option to just put the middle down if maybe you got some skis to pass through. You also have nice armrests with cup holders. You got two fast charging USB ports for the rear seat passengers. Power driver seat, all your power options. This is how you turn on and off that inverter. You also have a windshield de-icer grid on these, which is definitely nice if you go up skiing at all. Auto high beams, part of that Toyota Safety Sense. Here's that important part, push button start. You get the TRD shift knob. Also, TRD is embroidered in the headrests. We now have the larger display with built-in Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Of course, it has Bluetooth for your cell phone. Up here we got the moonroof. One touch to open. Oops. There we go. Rear differential lock, active traction control off. This is your crawl control. This is your multi-terrain select. Has a home link as well for your garage door openers. Here's the buttons on the steering wheel for your lane departure and adaptive cruise control. Bluetooth for your cell phone, of course. Heated seats up front. If you're looking for one of these, feel free to give me a call at the number below. I'd be glad to let you know what I got coming in and when they'll be available. Give you a great price on it. Feel free to comment if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more. Have a great day.